Hello students, I am Ritika Sharma, teacher of Ambit International School, Nayagaon, Kota. So students, today we will talk about Our Wonderful World. Our Wonderful World, it's your chapter 3 in your English textbook. Okay? But before moving on the chapter, I want to ask you something. Have you ever heard about the cities and oceans that were discovered, cities and towns that were discovered in ocean? Of course you have heard, or maybe you haven't, but I'm sure you have heard about the pyramids of Egypt. What do you think? How those pyramids had been built? किस तरीके से उनको बनाया गया होगा with their simple tools? क्योंकि on that time, in the ancient time, they didn't have any technical equipments. Not even pyramid, बहुत सारे monuments, बहुत सारे forts किस तरीके से बनाए होंगे? How they had been built? We cannot guess it. Even you can't. So this is called a mystery. It's just a mystery जिसको हम guess नहीं कर सकते. We can't elaborate it. We cannot explain it. We cannot understand it. We can solve it, but एक limit तक. But we cannot go in the depth of it. Okay. So this is called mystery. And in this chapter, Our Wonderful World. In this chapter, the world. We have a mystery. We will be studying about such kind of mystery, which name is the Nazca Lines. The mystery of Nazca Lines. Now, what is Nazca Lines? Nazca Lines are a line of drawings of the shape of animals, plants, and many more creatures. Okay, so it is marked on the ground in southern Peru, in South America. Now we will see how the Nazca Lines were discovered in this paragraph. The Nazca Lines were discovered in 1920s when the first plane began to fly over the Nazca Desert. A pilot looked down and he saw a very extraordinary sight, very unusual sight, जो कि मतलब बहुत ही कम देखी जा सकती हैं. And he became so curious and he arrived on that place, but he cannot see except the dust and the heaps of stones. Okay, now he became so curious about it that he wants to know कि क्या है वो lines, वो shapes क्या हैं. So he contacted with his pilot friends in Lima. Lima is the capital city of Peru. So they came from this city and began to fly around the desert. Every day by day, they found something new. They found something new patterns, new shapes, and they tried to determine the size of the area, which was covered around 450 kilometers without any village, without any towns. Without any villages, without any towns, and its one side is covered by the mountain. On that mountain, some shapes also marked on there. Okay, हम बाद में इसको पढ़ेंगे, बाद में ये चैप्टर में आएगा. So the pilots next plotted the shapes. There were long lines that looked like a great highways. So these kinds of shapes the pilots had seen there, like a monkey with a spiraling tail, a bird, and many more creatures. Soon the news of Nazca Lines were spread all over the world, and people were very fascinated. People were very attracted to see this, but soon they realized that they cannot see these patterns because those patterns had marked very shallow, very narrow holes and a small stones. मतलब bones मतलब होता है tiny stones particle. Okay, तो वो जो shapes थे, वो जितनी भी जो shapes थी, जो lines थी, drawings थी, वो किस तरीके से बनाई गई थी? बहुत ही narrow, बहुत ही छोटे tiny stones से बनाई गई थी. So we cannot see exactly. And people have the questions have raised among the people that who constructed these patterns, when were they made and why? उनको क्यों बनाया गया था और किस लिए बनाया गया था और कब बनाया गया था? And many archaeologists have studied about these lines. So among these archaeologists, a famous archaeologist came in front of them, which name was Maria Ricci. She was a German born and a mathematician. She was living in Peru that time, and she heard about this, and she started her work on that project. She make maps of those lines, those area, and she convinced the Peruvian Air Force to capture the picture of that area, ताकि उनको पता लग सके कि वहाँ पे एक्चुअल में शेप्स क्या है, वो शेप्स किस तरह की हैं. And she convinced the government also. Later on, Maria Ricci believed that. Later on, she said that those shapes are like a sun calendar. But some people have other opinion that these shapes are like of maps for aliens, and this is the proof for aliens that they had come on the earth. Some people others suggested that these lines are a memorial of a great flood. So these kinds of opinions people used to suggest. But more recently, many people were surprised when a new pattern was found on the side of a mountain. As I already told you, mountain पे भी कुछ shapes मिलेंगी हमको. So recently ही mountains पर भी shapes मिली. वो shapes is like that shape was like a man was looking at the sky and waving. So these kind of shapes those people have found on the mountain. Now the scientists had concluded that the Nazca lines were created a long period ago. बहुत पहले ये लाइन बनाई जा चुकी थी, ये शेप्स बनाई जा चुकी थी, almost 1 to 700 CE. Okay, the majority of these lines were created from 1 to 700 CE. Today, the area covered by the lines is a World Heritage Site. Now, these lines, the whole Nazca Desert has become a World Heritage Site, but people are not allowed to drive a car near the site. They need a guide. They go there with a guide, with the help of a guide. And this site is declared by UNESCO in 1994. So here is the end of your chapter, Our Wonderful World.